These are so cute, right guys? And we're gonna learn how to make them. So let's get started. First, roll out your clay and then divide it into 4. And then start pinching it. Next, I'm making a ball for the head and I'm making 3 indents for the eyes and the nose. I'm taking small pieces of clay for the ears. Next, make black balls for the eyes and nose. I'm gonna cover the whole dog with pieces of cotton. And gluing the eyes and nose. This looks so cute, right guys? Well, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!